Our second day in Barcelona started early. We first stopped by Casa Batlló again. In the early morning, the street was much calmer than the night before. A few minutes away at the Passeig de Gràcia, we reached another Gaudí masterpiece, Casa Milà, also known as La Pedrada. The building was completed in 1912 and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, just like Casa Batlló. From here, our real journey to Park Güell was about to begin. We weren't sure if Park Güell would be worth it, especially with our kid, but that morning changed our minds. To reach Park Güell, we took bus number 24 from the Gràcia area. The ride was short and easy, and the stop is just about a 1-minute walk from one of the upper entrances of the park. Instead of the busy main gate, we entered from the upper entrance. It is much quieter here and it gives you a completely different first impression of the park. Right at the top, we found beautiful stone terraces overlooking Barcelona. We sat for a while on the stone benches and just enjoyed the view. As we continued walking, we came across what looked like an abandoned villa surrounded by trees. The atmosphere here felt very different from the crowded areas below. The path eventually led us to the highest point of Park Güell, Turó de les Tres Creus. From here, you get a full 360-degree view of Barcelona. From the back side of the hill, we could even see Tibidabo in the distance. That church on the top of the mountain is Temple of the Sacred Heart. One surprising thing we noticed in the park was the number of green parrots. These monk parakeets have actually become part of Barcelona's urban wildlife. After exploring the upper areas, we started walking down toward the famous monumental zone of the park. This colorful serpentine bench is one of Gaudí's most iconic designs. From here, you get one of the most famous views in all of Barcelona. We sit at the benches, we took a short break here, enjoying tea from our thermos while looking at the main entrance of the park. Right below the terrace is the hypostyle room, a hall supported by 86 stone columns. The ceiling is decorated with beautiful mosaic medallions. Our son had been looking for this moment the entire visit, finally seeing the famous mosaic salamander known as El Drac.
Woke up late, sun kissed my face. No rush, no race, just a slow embrace. Flip flops, slapping down the street. Every step's a rhythm, every heartbeat. Good vibes only, that's my rule. No time for drama, no time for fools. Hands up high, let the rhythm fly. Good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes only till the day I die. Sky so blue like a postcard dream. Laughter echoes like a flowing stream. Every little thing feels just right. Even shadows shimmer.
Near the entrance, we noticed a line for Casa del Guarda. At first, we thought it required another ticket, but visitors were allowed to enter as people exited.
Vibes only, that's my rule. No time for drama, no time for fools. Hands up high, let the rhythm fly. Good vibes only till the day I die. Shake it out.
This small building is surprisingly unusual inside, with curved rooms and organic shapes typical of Gaudí's architecture.
Is the freedom that we crave. Good vibes only, good vibes only, good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes only, good vibes only, good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good Good vibes only, that's my rule. No time for drama, no time for fools.
From the upper floor window, we had a great view of the famous dragon staircase and the crowds around it.
I die. Good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes only.
After about 2 hours exploring Park Güell, it was time to continue our Barcelona adventure.
Woke up late, sun kissed my face. No rush, no race, just a slow embrace. Flip flops, slapping down the street. Every step's a rhythm, every heartbeat.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no